You can download this poster and 3 different design templates from my website. Here's a little kit I prepared for each person. Turn it around. Today I'm drawing a Bethlehem star freehand, starting with a cross and then adding a little X and then joining the tips of the star. In this design, I'm using 3 colors. Now time to cut it out. Turn it over and put glue on one part. The pipe cleaner goes in the middle. Fold it over and press it out. Now cross the pipe cleaner, then wrap down each side. The fun part is adding sparkles. Here's more design ideas, and you can even make this one into a necklace too. Feel free to like and subscribe for more ideas, and thanks for watching.